So today I will be going to explain the logic behind the absolute number, like how to print. First question will be how to print absolute number, how to print absolute, not a number, absolute value. And second will be check whether it is divisible, check whether it is divisible by 5 or not. So we can clearly see that I am solving the conditional questions if else if nested if. So all those are conditionals. So right now for another 5 videos I will be going to uh, say how do I think while solving the questions. Is my approach correct? I am actually making the videos to actually help myself only, because everybody knows this. I am just starting. I am just a beginner, so I will just, this is like a learning public video. So first question is print absolute value. Yeah, I can print the absolute value. So it means that if n is 5, print 5 only. And if n is equal to minus 5, also then print 5. It's so simple. So like first I will just, I will start my code with some logic, explaining the logic. So int n and C in n, and my logic goes here. So if n is greater than 0, C out n, C out n, or else, like else C out minus n. Why minus n, I will say. So uh, logic is here for minus n. So in logic, I am telling you why I put minus n in order to print the absolute value. So if the n, if n is minus 5, I must print 5. 5 must be my output, must be my output. So here I am printing minus n. So firstly, let us just forget about the minus behind the n. We will just consider n for now. So what is n only? N is minus 5. So minus 5. Now we will consider this minus. So behind there is another minus. So here the multiplication function operation will happen. So minus into minus is plus, plus 5. This is what we wanted. So this was the logic used for absolute value. We will now write the code in here. So yeah, I will just write the code. So code, I will be using the library IMStream, uh, and name space std int main and int n for taking the value, taking the input from user, and I will be receiving n, and now we will apply the logic. If n is greater than 0, there is no need to add a minus n, so just print n only. Else cout minus n. Simple, simple. So yeah, so if I enter number 5, then it will print 5 only. If I print minus 5, then also it will print 5 only. So here it is. So here was the logic. And now next, we will solve the next problem, which is too easy. I will just explain the code to you. So we will just erase everything. Now, second problem goes like, Second problem is print, sorry, check, check whether n, yeah, that is number given by user, is divisible by 5 or not. So, first we will discuss the logic. First we will just discuss the logic. Afterwards, we can write the code easily. So, when a number is divisible by 5, let us suppose that n is equal to 25, which is actually divisible by 5. What makes 25 divisible by 5? So, when we divide when we divide 25 by 5, we will get the quotient 5, but but we will get we will get the remainder as 0. So if we try every number, we will get some very different question, but we will always get remainder as 0. So 0 is common in everything. 0 is common in everything. So this division operator is used for dividing. Like, to get the quotient, we will use this operator. To get the remainder, we are using modulus operator. Very important operator, modulus operator. I am sorry if the spelling is not correct. Mostly there comes a U. Yeah, there is U. So modulus operator. So modulus operator, we are using this percentage operator. So I will write the code now. Like, code means logic only. So logic goes here: if n modulus 5 double equals to 0. Why double equals to? Because this is these the value of this is being compared to this. If we just add is equal to, its value is been assigned to this. That's not what we want. So only we are using double equals to. It's basically for comparing both the values. So if n modulus 5 double equals to 0, C out divisible by 5, else not. Simple. Else not. Simple. Here the code ends. I think everybody understood how actually I am thinking about the code. Mostly this is very easy. I will uh, make another video of how I actually think about other questions. This was actually LKG level. Yeah. Now I will write the divisible by 5 code. So int n, cout, enter n. Actually not even LKG. Sorry. If n modulus 5 double equals to 0, cout divisible by 5, else cout not divisible by 5, let it be. So if I put 14, not. If I put 15, divisible by 5. If I put 67, not. If I put 65, yes. So that's all for today, guys. Mostly, I think in a perfect way, but this is not actually a good standard to mm, judge my thinking level. So I will make some advanced videos like how do I think about the other problems, and please, guys, guide me. Like, am I thinking rightly? Am I making the logic correctly? So, thank you, guys. That's all for today. Bye bye.